Hey, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And again, I've got these really cute things for the garden. You can tell I love to be out in the garden. So I have these little galvanized, rustic-looking metal pots. And here you can see it's got a little wing nut there. And there's a second piece. And the second piece is kind of like a little gooseneck hose that fits and swivels right into it. So if you take this little piece here and it goes right into there, and again I'm doing this by myself with the camera, here you can see how that goes right in like that. I don't have it right. It really is easy with two hands. Goes right in, just like so. And then what you do is you tighten it up. So you tighten it up with this little wing nut right here, and then it holds it. And then it's this cute little hanging pot, or not hanging pot, sorry, this little tabletop pot that you can sit anywhere, with the little faucet and the little bird resting on top. And then you can put your little plant in it. This was the brown one. They come in 3 different colors. So there's that color. And then you can see I've already put this one together and put a little plant in it. See how cute that is? I love them. They come in green, they come in red, and they come in like that little rust and silver. There's the green. Aren't those super cute? So they come in 2 pieces. They're 3 different colors. We've got them on the website. It would be cute out on your patio table with just a little plant in there. They're kind of tiny, but they're cute. Or by a front door, or even as part of your container garden. So be sure and check out all of our cute garden things at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques, and go give us a like on Facebook.